Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can get started with Leonardo AI's video generator. Leonardo AI offers a powerful toolset that helps you create AI-generated content with ease. The platform includes features like AI video, AI image generation, and much more. To begin, you simply click on Get Started and proceed to sign up for an account on Leonardo. Before we start, check the link in description to try Leonardo for free. To create an account, click on the left-hand side and follow the sign-up process. Once your account has been successfully created, you will be automatically granted a total of 150 free credits. These credits can be used to explore and try out various features available on the platform. After you have exhausted the initial batch of free credits, you will be required to purchase additional credits in order to continue utilizing the platform's services. Within the platform's user interface, you'll quickly become familiar with a variety of tools that are designed to help bring your creative ideas to life. Some of these tools include the Canvas editor, which allows for visual design work, the Upscaler, which enhances image resolution and quality, the image creator for generating pictures from text prompts, the video generator for creating animated content, FlowState, which facilitates focused and streamlined creative sessions, and the real-time canvas, which updates your changes instantly as you work. To start working on a video project, you will need to click on the video option located on the platform's main menu or dashboard. After selecting this option, you will be directed to a basic prompt input screen where you can begin describing the video you wish to create. However, before you can initiate the actual video creation process, the platform requires you to first generate a base image. This image serves as a foundational visual and enables access to the system's priority video generation capabilities. Once you've moved on to the video creation interface, you'll see several tools and configuration settings available. On the left-hand side panel, there are multiple options to choose from, including different camera angles to enhance the visual storytelling of your video. In addition to camera angles, you'll also have the opportunity to select from various model types used for video generation. These include Motion 1, Motion 2, and V3. In this particular demonstration, the Motion 2 model is being used. This specific model is derived from Midjourney's generation technology. The platform also supports the V3 model, which is developed by Google. You'll notice an option labeled Prompt Enhancement, which is designed to automatically refine and optimize your text input for better results. This feature is activated by default and typically does not require manual adjustments. I prefer to keep it enabled, as it intelligently expands short prompts to make them more detailed while leaving longer prompts unchanged, ensuring that your input retains its intended meaning. Following this, you can proceed to select the desired mood, lighting conditions, and color themes for your video. For example, if you wish to achieve a natural and warm aesthetic, you might select Golden Hour under the lighting settings. Once you've finalized those visual preferences, you can choose the resolution at which your video will be generated. The available options currently include 480p and 720p. Please note that at this time, the platform does not support Full HD resolution for either import or export of video content. Additionally, you'll be able to customize your video's dimensions and determine how many versions or instances of the video you want the platform to generate at once. Below this section, there is a feature that allows you to organize your generated videos into specific collections or folders, helping you manage your content more effectively. For those seeking further control, advanced settings are also available. These include options like enabling smoother transitions between frames and adding negative prompts. Negative prompts are a useful tool for specifying what elements should be excluded from the video. For instance, suppose you want to create a visually appealing video centered around a garden filled with vibrant flowers, but you do not want any lakes, ponds, or water bodies to appear. In that case, you can enter terms such as no water, no lakes, or no ponds into the negative prompt field to ensure those elements are excluded from the generated content. To illustrate how to write an effective prompt, let's go through an example. I want to create a video that shows a queen dressed in elaborate royal clothing walking in front of a grand castle. To make the scene more vivid, I'll enhance the description by adding that she is beautiful, with long brown hair, and is being followed by two maids. While this is a relatively short prompt, it can be expanded for even more detail and precision. When crafting your own prompt, it is essential to include three main components: the subject, who or what is in the scene; the environment, where the scene is taking place; and the action or movement, what the subject is doing. In this case, the subject is the queen, the environment is the castle setting, and the action is walking. The more descriptive and specific you are about each of these elements, the more polished and accurate the final video output will be. Once you are satisfied with your prompt and all other settings, you can go ahead and click the Generate button. Keep in mind that creating a single video requires 200 credits. You can continue using the platform through its free version or choose to subscribe to a premium plan for more features and flexibility. It's important to note that all content generated on the platform is public by default unless you have a paid subscription that supports private project creation. Video generation is a feature that is exclusively available under the Artisan Unlimited subscription plan. Users on the Apprentice plan or those using the free version of Leonardo will not have access to the video generation functionality. After your video has been generated, it will be automatically saved to your personal library, which can be found on the left-hand side of the dashboard. From the home screen, you can also navigate to the video section, where you'll be able to view other video projects created by the community for inspiration and reference. For instance, one user created a cinematic video of an old fox wearing a dusty trench coat, carefully scanning through decaying books inside a collapsed data vault under golden dust light. Leonardo responded impressively to this visual-heavy narrative, portraying the fox with cracked spectacles, cautious motion, and even a consistent warm light source that created a sense of age, memory, and discovery, all exactly in line with the prompt's intended atmosphere. Another user asked for a moody fine art scene of someone gazing into a mirror lit by flickering candlelight. The result closely captured the emotional tone using soft contrast, warm highlights, and a handheld camera-like motion to convey a natural, intimate feel. Leonardo handled the low saturation and dim light especially well, reinforcing the intended feeling of introspective doubt and quiet emotion. A striking photorealistic prompt featured Einstein standing in front of a peace rally microphone, holding a paper with a No More War banner behind him and a blurred crowd in the background. Leonardo's interpretation delivered a powerful image. Einstein's grey, unruly hair, the suit and tie, and his steady gaze all matched the character described. The background contained vague but effective silhouettes of protest signs, and the shallow depth of field helped center Einstein as the focus, emphasizing presence and conviction. If you're looking for a particular style, you can select it from the panel on the right. For example, if you prefer a photographic look, you can filter by that. You also have the option to view all styles by selecting All. Your results will vary based on the model you choose. In the photography section, one prompt simply described a woman looking directly into the camera with soft tears in her eyes. Leonardo generated a portrait that was both emotionally resonant and technically polished. The expression, the teary eyes, and the lighting all combined to create a still that felt both intimate and realistic, making it an ideal base for either a cinematic video scene or a standalone photograph. This is how you can begin your journey in video creation using Leonardo AI. It's a straightforward process, and once you get used to the interface, it becomes even easier to navigate. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the link in description to try Leonardo for free.